Hello YouTubers, friends, family. Old Mad Brad Customs. Yep, old Mad Brad. I'm a real insane charters. I take people catching bass. That's largemouth and stripers. A little bit of shell cracker and brim stuff, but I told you when I figured out this Ulterra trolling motor, I would give you, let me turn it this way you can see the thing, because it's a long shaft. But anyway, it was an accident and it needed a lot of work done. Right off the bat, when I got it together, the armature was bad. Had to replace this forward section because the rudder was broke. Had to take it all the way back down, replace the armature, and also it had a bad field ground wire that run up through it. I had to chase that, replace it. The head was all cracked up. Let me get around here where you can see it a little bit. The head was all cracked up. And new bottom piece installed. I had to reuse the top piece because it's on a major back order, and Minn Kota says I probably cannot get it for months and months. Anyway, then that's what happens when you get these new models out. So it ended up being the turn motor was okay on it. The lift motor was okay on it, but the circuit board was out. And you see I put a new circuit board in there. Now you know if you run in anything, these are freshwater versions, but when you go to a saltwater version, everything is sealed up and heat shrinked. Anyway, had a little bit of time trying to figure out timing on this thing. And once I figured it all out, it worked like a charm. This motor here had to be replaced, which was the lift motor. Okay, so when I meant, let's say, deploy motor, lift and stair motors here, store and deploy motor. So I had to get one of them because from the accident, the shaft was warped, kind of like what happened with the armature in the bottom end. Okay. Like I said, I'll give you an update. I finished it up. It will do everything it's supposed to. These things are really nice when they work. Keep following me, YouTube, and I'll give you all the information. I've had a lot of people ask a lot of questions, and so just go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and go ahead. You got questions? I can answer them. Been doing this kind of stuff ever since I was 10, 11 years old. My father made me get outside and work on his cars and stuff, and I learned it all for those many years and been doing it ever since. I was a fleet manager for about 14 years, running a fleet department. Been a bass fishing and catfish guide since '85. Did that full time up to here just a few years ago. Decided I wanted to just do some things and kind of kick back a little bit. And like I said, take people in this 21-foot Triton and fish a little money tournaments. But anyway, let's see if I can turn this thing around. We got a weather moving out day. And yeah, a little raining still, but anyway, I'm gonna tell you, YouTubers, this is Summerville area of South Carolina, and we are always gorgeous weather. Even our winters are not bad anymore. But anyway, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment all you want. And old Captain Brad here, yeah, I know, I'll be 63 this year. My buddy just turned 63 in May. I'll answer your questions, and I'll post some more stuff. Tried to get on some bass the last 2 days, but the weather and wind was terrible, and we caught a bunch of little nothings, but anyway, wasn't worth posting. All right, YouTubers, we are out. Goodbye.